Round 2. Let the games begin. May your odds be ever in your favour.
Oh, doing push-ups.
Oh, he needs the exercise. Look at him.
Don't put that. Lucky I've got to protect the screen.
Excuse me.
No, I'm downloading the fishes now.
Where'd he go? There he is.
Two hands now. It's cruel. Oh, it gives her reflexes and also gives her
Stimulation.
exercising. Yeah.
Oh, wow. There's a Tia. Except that's got a bit more colour in it.
It's up to 600.
Woo!
700.
What's your best to get up to?
Just keep going.
You just keep going.
They change the mice. The mice get quicker.
Yeah.
And after she reaches a certain point, you have two mice just running around.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you missed it.
She's trying to hang on.
She's trying to hang on to the tail.
Well, hanging on tail, she got it. Really.
Oh, play the piano.
Good look at it. Do we get a new mouse? No, not yet. Before it goes to 1,000. Where the hell's he going?
Aren't you lazy?
Oh.
Don't help her with the score.
Just keep me amused.
Oh, I think she's bored now.
Want me to take him away? Let's see the fish one. Yeah.